which for my busy kotoko intimate cap bia for the next 5 years ya edi yenuma ebe sana opanyini edi abetudwa say yenhwe say kotoko bit magic league no aso bit magic cap 5 years edi yenuma be yenhwe say kotoko bit magic ya they say edi kan alusi first cap Premier League no yentimi anyi MFNC and also na friends so say aka MTN FA Cup so ne Golden Kicks and so at the basis so and so hono yes me so say e bet me yenhwe the social board no but say the man can say kotoko intimi cup bia for the next 5 years ya edi yenima ebe no Asimo I mean I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Sebia Kotoko intimate cap for the next 5 years in there. I don't believe it. No, it is not going to happen. Surely it is not going to happen. Yes. Until we all have to pray for our dear club Asante Kotoko Sebia. The nipa no sushen table bamusana enye juma ewa Asante Kotoko so. It will never happen. It will never happen. Sekotoko 5 years he didn't mean to mean cap there. Sese league no begin Gold Stars aji ede esi omona so enso ewo hono begin Gold Stars aji league no ede esi omona so ye monu yo se omotimi akon enkoden aji league no league title no ede esi omona so enso ewo hono na ke de president kakotoko betumi aji bat and kobanesa ama yenu no begin Gold Stars so etimi afa ho abaji league ni dia na say we are going to have fun with Asante Kotoko. Yes, you're going to have fun Asante Kotoko. Asante Kotoko tries between and the signature of Visit FC omo deputy and I say omo assistant coach Asante Kotoko Hamza Obin Mohammed and then here Kotoko tries between enya Urei signature na of assistant coach Adama Coach Abdul Karim Zito and so honomo. Yes, honomo na we are going to have fun with Asante Kotoko. It's not going to be easy, but it will be easy. Yes, if only well. Let's see what the future holds for Asante Kotoko. The club here, Asante Kotoko, the Metema. Let's see what the future holds for us in the name. Okay, let's see.